Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Dodge Journey RT and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Journey is equipped with backup camera and it's not working. This video will apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a member. Backup camera fuse will be located in a small fuse box just under the glove box. I will try to record it here. Okay, here's the cover. You will see there is a fuse diagram on top of the cover. I just started to remove it. And to remove the cover, you just have to kind of detach it here. So the easiest thing to do is just stick your hand inside and pull down with your thumb. And like I said, on the cover itself there is a small fuse diagram, and here you've got access to all of the fuses. And down there in the corner you can use a fuse puller to remove and check any of the fuses. And now the reverse camera fuse, it will be fuse number F107, which is a 10 amperite fuse located right here. Now if this fuse proves to be good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. First you want to make sure your software is up to date. You can also try resetting your software by removing the fuse or disconnecting the battery. Then next thing, you want to check all the wiring towards the backup camera and check the camera itself. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.